Discover the benefits of starting an e-commerce business. Learn how Shopify can simplify your online store setup. Meet our team of Shopify experts ready to assist you. Explore the various features Shopify offers for entrepreneurs. Understand the importance of a user-friendly website. Get tips on selecting the right products to sell. Learn about effective marketing strategies for e-commerce. Hear success stories from our satisfied clients. Find out how we provide ongoing support after launch. Join us and take the first step towards your e-commerce dream. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!